Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this eyebrow tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, so products that you're gonna need are Sacha Buttercup setting powder, your pencil, your Eyebrow concealer, and your COVERGIRL Brow Gel. So I'm just gonna start by using this setting powder. You know, I like to set my eyebrows. That way you're not sweaty. They just look cute the whole day, okay? My pencil has a spoolie with it, so I love that. And I'm just gonna start using the spoolie just to brush my hair. And then I'll just start tracing my eyebrow just the way I'm doing right there in a straight line. And then on the corner right there, I'm just gonna do a little curve because I like my eyebrows a little curvy and I like them full. So when you go to the top right there, I'm just gonna do another straight line and then curve it, and then I'll start filling from the corner right there. I like to fill my eyebrows in not too harsh, and then I'll fill them in because I like my brows to look a little more natural, so I won't be filling them in too much. You know, I'm just gonna use some small strokes right there in the front so that it looks a little more realistic. So I'm just going to use this spoolie just to soften the front right there, you know, so that it looks a little more realistic. And then I will be brushing the hairs up. I'm using this flat brush and I'm just going to, you know, clean up my brows. I like using this shade of concealer because it's not too bright. And then I'm just going to use my fingers, you know, to blend everything out. You can use another brush to clean that up, but I like using my fingers because they actually, you know, melt my concealer in. You can also use the same kind of concealer if it's more of your skin tone, just like mine, like there, and, you know, clean up the toe part as well. But if your concealer is a little brighter, you can use a darker concealer on the toe part. I'm just going to use my brow gel just to set it a little bit, because I feel like when I use the brow gel, it keeps my my eyebrows in the whole day, guys. And I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Yeah guys, so this is it. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Get your girl to 50K. We're now at 39 and I am so proud. Yes girl. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I'll see you guys later. Bye.